here. Nina Anand. Nina Anand, you're on air. Go ahead, please. BTC Forum for Social Awareness. You're on air. Go ahead, please, Nina.
Yes, hi, good evening, and we welcome our viewers, whoever watching us right now, and we welcome them even to join us if they have anything to add to our discussion. So they can also join, and of course, they can call you, I think, on WhatsApp or.
No, they can call up, they can write a message on Facebook, and with the number, I will call them. On Skype, on Skype phone, not on video, okay? Skype phone, yeah. That will be right.
Dr. Namath, I was thinking when we started few months back this forum, BTC forum, and the very first one was, I think, or second one was on emotional health.
Correct.
And we realized that all the topics we have picked up so far,
right,
they're all related to our emotional health, because even finances, like
True.
When we are young, we don't see the importance.
True.
But when we are close to retirement, as we were saying last time, the hobbies we pick. So same way we do the financial also, but
True.
at that time.
Right.
But it's too late sometimes, by retirement, if you think how I'm going to manage with limited resources.
True.
So I realized, from the beginning, from children, like when they are little kids, they should also be told the importance, not only earning. Focus is not should be like what you become in your life and how much you earn, but how you spend your money. I think it's very important, because my own personal experience when we came from India,
right,
I think we are that generation where parents used to take care of finances.
True.
They would run the house, and we were just there. We had no kind of much say in, or responsibility
True.
to take care of finances.
True.
I mean, we were not silent generation, I think. We are called baby boomers, like second generation after that. But still, we had not much say. And we used to feel quite secure, I think, back in India. Because, that Provident Fund from our jobs, that was the only security I think we had. No medical insurance, no 401k plans, or, not all the offices or places would give you.
True.
And I'm sure some places they had good plans, but not medical insurance or insurance, those kind of. Yeah.
True.
So coming from there, I thought when we came here, this is early 80s, we realized, like all of a sudden responsibility and insecurity we felt. Like you have to have money in your bank for at least few months, your salary equivalent to your 6 month salary. That was the ratio given to us, and those
True.
kind of things.
True.
So we learned gradually, but I think whichever, like I would say, not only age group or financially, wherever you are, whether working class or wherever you are, I think you have to do some kind of planning.
Planning means you're talking about savings. You mean certain percentage of your income you should put in saving for rainy days. I mean, if you're not out of work.
And save, and how you invest that saving. That's another important
That's
issue.
important, I guess. Yeah. And those if you
for
like.
that we need. Yeah.
Yes, Nina. If you'd like to call, you can call up on WhatsApp. Number is +1 917 8820346. We'll take the calls if you want to ask a question, if you want to put your thought. Financial security and insecurity. Why we feel secure, why you feel insecure. That's going to be the talk today. And Nina is going to recount her experience back home when she was growing up. That's what she's talking about. So you have the number right on the screen there. WhatsApp is +1 917 8820346. You can call that number and put your thoughts into it, or you want to ask a question to Nina, you can do that as well. All right, I see Govind Mirchandani is there, Barry Kashubu is there, and also Nina Mirchandani is there, and Dinkar Bear is there. If you have any question, dosto, lines are open. You can call up and we'll pick up the call and ask question. Go ahead, please, Nina.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, like not at the retirement age, if we had, because not all the companies have good pension plans. So
I want to ask you a question, Nina, but you're saying back home when you were growing up, or we always have had our parents, our superior seniors who used to work and then they used to save some money, and we used to feel secure, not because of finance by itself, because we have some people older than us. physical
Yes.
security also was there. But here, you're the senior, no? Your kids are here. So obviously there's a little difference, right?
Yes, because over here, first of all, children, they don't live with parents,
Gee.
so that financial security from an early age, in a way, it's good because they find, they are responsible for their own finances, I would say that.
True.
But still, like back in India, we never thought about, especially our age.
Gee.
Now, I think children are very smart back in India also. They know,
True.
they save money and, they have good jobs and things are changing. But still, this thing stays in every generation that earlier on we should let them know.
Yes, but would you actually relate to financial security refers to the peace of mind you feel when you're not worried about your income being enough to cover your expenses? That is financial security, right?
Yeah, everyone knows, like we have to save, we have to know, but not everyone can achieve it, because there are emergencies, there are so many other family, kind of situations where you cannot do it. I mean, but to live within your means, I think that's the kind of a thing, we all just say, I think Hindi mein bolte hain ki jitni chadar hai
Utna
usne
pair.
paunv.
Exactly.
And there was a movie, I think I was remembering, Amdani,
Kam
I think
Athane-
it was
yeah.
Amdani, Athani, Kharcha,
Rupaya.
So within means, I think that's something if children know from the beginning, कि ये उनकी pocket money है, अगर if they are given 100 rupees or I'm saying in rupees or dollars or whatever amount they have. So once they learn how to at least live within that,
But
so
do you
they will
think,
have no
Nina,
problem.
but do you think more than the parents, if this could be introduced in the school curriculum, they try to at least a few courses on financial security or insecurity, whatever, the importance of financial security, if they have been taught earlier in the school years, maybe that will help them adapt to those things as they're growing up and start making good money. But especially in this country, back home in India too, we spend more than what we earn.
Yes.
We always live check by every week by check. That's not the way I think we should really live. We should actually put some money for savings for rainy days. I think that's we don't do much of us, Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, it's changing. Now it's back in India also changing over here. But still, I said, whatever age group or money bracket you are in, like how much money you have. But unless you plan something, people can overspend it. It's like if you have 100 rupees in your hand, some people will spend 90 and keep the 10 for a rainy day.
Correct.
And people like me, maybe I'm spending 110 and that $10 goes to my credit card.
Yeah, that's
So
what
I can never pay off my credit card because it's always $10.
that's what
on
it's
my credit.
right. It also means, I think, Nina, that you have enough money saved to cover emergencies and your future financial goals. That's what you save the money for. Am I right?
Yes, because we are lucky when we came here. We had our pensionable jobs and we had some money in our 401k or somewhere.
Sure.
So that's something, things are different and coming from there. But still, insecurity because of your age-wise. If a medical emergency comes, so you should have a good medical plan. You cannot depend only on Social Security. You cannot only depend on your medical insurance they give you.
True.
So things like that, I think if people plan it earlier on, I think they will have a better by the time they retire. I
True.
think that's the idea.
Yes. Those, if you have any questions, please, or if you want to say something, please do call us on WhatsApp number +1 917 882 0346.